honest with you, I was a little nervous. I mean, we're working with 350 sticks of dynamite. It's scary. So Mom's got some issues with the dishwasher, and the daybed is filthy. It's got dander, it's got dirt. It's gonna be such a big deal, but I thought maybe we should kind of give them a few appetizers, samplers if you will, of just exactly what's about to happen. Are you guys ready? Charlie on the generator! Fire in the hole! That was awesome! Let's blow up the dishwasher! On my signal! Fire in the hole! That was awesome! I think that thing just had its last cycle! That man is gone! No, that was just a warm-up! Who's ready to blow up the house? Blowing up the daybed and the dishwasher, that was pretty cool, but just to compare, those each had 3 sticks of dynamite. The house had over 300 sticks of dynamite.